Two most common questions that I've been asked all the time. It's a good spot for striped bass fishing? Yes. Where is the place? Right here. To the peak, high tide, and 1 hour after peak. See this one? It's shallow. It's flat. But not until you go there, it drops. Bam, 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 pause. Bam, 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 pause. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Yeah. Ha. Woo, let's go. All right, guys. Nice fish. Yeah. This is a good 22 inches right here. Nice. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Welcome to another episode of surf casting or surf fishing. If you guys new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's catch some fish. Let's go. Woo. That's far. Yep. Like this rod, guys. This rod is from J&H Tackle. This is a Dark Matter OB. It's really good for surf. 10-footer rod. Strong. Good for big fish too. I'd like to thank Josh for sending me this rod. I appreciate it, man. Hope we can catch a fish today. Now we're in June, so big fish are coming in during this month, so hopefully we catch some big one today. I'm using a Mickey jig right here. It's a metal jig right here, white. My tape came off, so I'm gonna put up a tape on my finger. This tape serves to protect your skin from getting cut. So this is the tape that I use right here. This is sporting tape. You can get this at any pharmacies. Probably like cost you $4. I like this because it's not thick on your finger, because I like to feel the line when I'm casting. All right, let's get back in action, guys. Woo, nice cast. That's a good cast. All right, now look, this is how I reel it. I'm gonna keep my rod tip up like that, pointing up, probably like a 45 angle. The reason for that is I don't want my lures to hit the bottom. If I tilt it down like this, that lure will go down to the bottom and hit the sand. So I wanted my lure to go right in the middle of the water. This is for metal jig though. This only applies to metal jig. Tide is coming up, guys. Tide is coming up. It's high tide right now. We are in the peak high tide. So this is really good. This is really good tide. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go, striped bass. Ooh, look at this. That means there's a big waves coming in. Wow. Suddenly all the water just pulled back. That means there's a big waves coming in. I don't know. Tsunami? Not sure. Let me go closer then and cast this as far as I can. Perfect. Ooh, let's go. That's for a striped bass right there. That's a striped bass distance right there. You know what? Let me take a rest. I'll give myself 2 more casts and then we'll take a break for 5 minutes and we'll get back there. Okay, guys, we're gonna take a 5-minute break. While we're taking a break, I'm gonna answer some questions that I get mostly in the comments. What are the best setup for me to do a surf fishing? So when it comes to rod, you need 9 to 11-footer rod for surf. The reason being is you need to cast your lure far, and also you need a braid line or a braided line. The braided line is thin and you can cast your lure far compared to a mono or fluorocarbon. For reels, any reels, size 4,000 reels, it's good. And in my case, I'm using the Vanstal VR50. I fish a lot in the surf, so I need a really good reel. This is a sealed reel, so water doesn't go inside the gear. So because once the water, salt water goes into the gears, it will just break. To take care of your reel, after you use it, go wash it right away with the fresh water. I would suggest for rod, just get a 10-footer rod. Most of the 10-footer rod for surf fishing, the lure ratio is 1 to 4 ounce. That means 4-ounce. That's the heaviest lure that you can throw with that rod. With this rod, this is a 2-ounce lure weight, so I got a 1-ounce here, so I can really yank this rod as hard as I can, and this rod will not break. So yep, that's about it, guys. And what else? How do you catch fish? Just put some time on it, keep fishing until you get that experience, and through that experience you will learn. If you have any questions, just write that down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer it, guys. And again, let's get back to action, and hopefully we can catch a fish. Yeah, let's go. I'm really excited today. I don't know why. It's been a while. 2 weeks out of the water. Let's catch a big one, guys. Let's catch a big one. Catch a big one right here. This is it, guys. This is it. Woo. That is far. Oh, fish on! Fish on! There you go. Hey! Yeah! So safe, bro! Woohoo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Yeah! Let's go! Woo! Oh, this is the biggie one. Yep, there's a good one right here, guys. Let's go! Let's go! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Woo! Let's go, striped bass! Yeah. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Let's go. Haha. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one. Oh, what a fighter. Let's go. Oh, biggie. That's a big one. Let's go. Watch out. Here. Let's go. This is a good one, guys. This is a good one. Let's go. Woo. Ha. Yeah. Yeah! Haha! That's what I'm saying! Woo! Ah, good one right here. This is good, guys. This is good. Check this out. Woo! Nice, guys. Nice. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. This is a good 29 inches right here. Oh! Woo! Yeah. All right, let me release this guy. Nice. Ooh, good size right here, guys. Check that out. Ooh, look at that. That was a quick one. Nice. Woo, let's go. Let's catch more. Woo, that was a good one. Oh, that feels good. That feels really good. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's catch more. Sun is about to go down. All right, we are good for today, guys. We are done. Alrighty, guys, we are done for today. Wow, that was a good 1.5 hours fishing. Not bad. We caught a really good fish. That's probably like a 29 inches striped bass. Yes. And thanks for watching, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy to be back here in the ocean. And if you want to know my setup, this setup, the exact setup that I'm holding right now, I'm gonna put the link on the descriptions below. And also I'm gonna add an affordable setup, not expensive, but it's good for surf fishing. If you guys have more questions, please don't hesitate to write down on the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer it. Yes, thanks for watching, guys. Again, be safe out there, be kind to one another. It's not just fishing, it's more than fishing.